If you're looking for the deleted portion of class 10 syllabus, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will explain what all is removed from your textbook referring to the soft copy. Okay, so I have a soft copy of class 10 mathematics textbook. So I will explain it from here. So before making this video, I did go through a few of the YouTube videos, but most of them are misleading students, and in few videos they just read whatever is shared by the CBSE board. Okay, so this is the circulation received from secretary CBSE board, that is Anurag Tripathi, and it is clearly mentioned here that 30% has been removed from your syllabus. Okay, and in your board exam you won't receive any questions from that 30% syllabus. Okay, so let's see what is that 30% syllabus that is removed from your textbook. Okay, so these all are the chapters, that is 15 chapters you got in your syllabus. Okay, so this is the deleted portion, that is from real numbers, from your first chapter real numbers. What is removed? Euclid's division lemma, that is from page number 2 to 7. Let me explain from here. Okay, so first chapter. So from first chapter, the first part is removed. Okay, what is our first part? That is Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid's division lemma is removed, so you won't get this all for your exams. Okay, no need to read this one. So exercise 1.1 is removed from the first chapter. Okay, so except this, everything will remain same. Okay, so from second chapter, that is polynomials. From polynomials, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real numbers is removed. That includes page number 33 to 37. Let's see what is in 33 to 37. Okay, so that is what is our second chapter, polynomials. Okay, so from polynomials, this one, the division algorithm. Okay, division algorithm for polynomials, this whole thing is removed. Okay, and this includes the last exercise, that is 2.3. okay, you won't get this on your board exams. As per my observation, CBSE removed the concept either in most of the chapters from the last part of the chapter. Okay, so they just removed the last part of the chapter, and in few chapters they just removed the application based problems. Okay, we'll see what are those. So see here, in pair of linear equations, okay, you won't get this cross multiplication method. Okay, you won't get the cross multiplication method. And then from quadratic equations, situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equation. So this is a bit confusing, right? Okay, let me help you. See, quadratic equation, let's go to quadratic equations, polynomials, pair of linear equations. Okay, from pair of linear equations, quadratic equation, just cross multiplication method is removed. Like we know how to solve this pair of linear equation. There are three methods, right? One is substitution method, elimination method, and then cross multiplication method. So the third method is removed. So here is our cross multiplication method, right? So you won't get this one for exam, but this exercise will remain same. Okay, so just avoid practicing cross multiplication method, except go through all the exercises. Okay, so you don't take a chance of missing out any problems, right? So they didn't mention anything regarding the exercise, right? So just practice these problems, and while solving you need not to use the cross multiplication method, either use elimination method or substitution method, right? So let's go to the next chapter, that is quadratic equations. Which one is our next chapter here? Quadratic equations, right? So from quadratic equations, what all is removed? Let's see here. See here. Quadratic equations, situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. Okay, when you read this statement, it's a bit confusing, right? They didn't mention any concepts or any topics, and then neither any exercises. So let's see what all is removed from this chapter. See here, quadratic equations, situational problems. I mean, what they mean is like these all word problems. Okay, so these all word problems. Actually, from each exercise there is at least 3 to 4 word problems. So you won't get these word problems in your exam. Okay, so no need to practice these word problems. Okay, so apart from word problems, everything will remain same. Just avoid practicing these word problems, right? So this is from quadratic equations. Next, what we have, next chapter is arithmetic progression, right? So what all is removed from arithmetic progression? See here again, applications in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms, right? Application in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. So from this chapter, okay, from this chapter, the everything till sum of n terms will remain same. Okay, and again from this last exercise, okay, again from last exercise, what is removed is last few problems, that is from problem number 15. Okay, I know they didn't mention anywhere that they will remove from problem number 15, but this statement, okay, whatever is mentioned by CBSE, application in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. Okay, when you read this one, actually these are the few of the important questions from these chapters, and you will definitely see few of these problems in your previous year question papers. Okay, so no need to practice these application based problems from sum of n terms. Okay, so what is our next chapter? Done with arithmetic progression. Okay, so triangles, right? So one of the lengthy chapters from class 10 mathematics. So what all is removed from triangles? So from triangle chapter, proof of the following theorems, that is ratio of areas of two similar triangles and then Pythagoras theorem. These two theorems are removed, but the problems related to these theorems will remain. Okay, so I will show you where is this, these two, where are these two theorems? Okay, see this one, areas of similar triangles, areas of similar triangles, this one is removed. And if you want, you can note down the page numbers, that is page number 141 to what we have here is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this one, Pythagoras theorem, this is also removed. You won't get this, I am repeating, just the theorems are removed. Okay, the problems will remain. Okay, so don't avoid practicing these problems, you may get it for your board exam. And this theorem, the Pythagoras theorem, one of the important theorem which you find in the previous year question paper, this is also removed. Converse Pythagoras theorem, again this one is also removed, but the problems will remain. Okay, so this is all, this is what all removed from the triangle chapter. So what is our next chapter? After triangles we have coordinate geometry. Okay, so from coordinate geometry, let's see, here is a coordinate geometry. See here, coordinate geometry, area of a triangle. Okay, area of a triangle, that is 168 to 170, page number 168 to 170. Okay, here is 168, right? Area of a triangle, this one is removed. Okay, actually this includes exercise 7.3. see here, no need to practice this one. Okay, the whole exercise won't come for the board exam, so delete this also, the area of a triangle, right? So what is our next chapter? See, wait, after coordinate geometry we have introduction to trigonometry, right? So next chapter is introduction to trigonometry. So from this chapter what all is removed? Actually bit confusing chapter, matlab trigonometry, matlab till 9th you don't have this trigonometry, so this one is introduced in class 10th, right? That's why you feel bit confusing. Okay, so from this chapter what all is removed? It is our trigonometry. Okay, see here, motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree, and then trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See, when you read this one, right, it is bit confusing. What is this one? Okay, motivate the ratios whichever are defined 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so let me see what all where we have in the textbook these two complementary angles and then defined ratios. Okay, so that includes this one will remain trigonometric ratios. Okay, starting from here, that is a page number 181. From page number 181, exercise 8.1 will remain. These all is removed. Okay, make note, these all, that is the values of the specific angles. Okay, sin 0, sin 30, cos 0, cos 30. Okay, पूरा टेबल रिमूव किया है. Okay, this includes exercise 8.2, so delete this also. And then trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, again deleted. Okay, so that is 8.3. So from this chapter, two exercises are removed, 8.2 and then 8.3. Okay, trigonometric identities will remain, and then that is 8.4 will remain. Okay, just two exercises are removed here, 8.2 and 8.3. Okay, so what is our next chapter? After here, applications of trigonometry, nothing is removed from here, the whole chapter will remain. And then what else we have? Circles. I hope from circle also, okay, from circles also no deletion. See here, no deletion from circle chapter. Okay, the whole chapter will remain. And then see this one, heights and distances, that is nothing but the application. So again this will also remain, no deletion. So what is our next chapter? Done with circles. And then we have construction. Okay, so from construction, what is removed? Construction. Okay, is construction right? See here, from construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. Okay, construction of a triangle similar to given triangle. Where we have this one? See here, division of a line segment. This will remain, division of a line segment. See here, to construct a triangle similar to the given triangle as per given scale factor. Okay, this construction 11.2 is removed, right? So this includes these problems. Example 1. Okay, example 1. And then see here, from exercise 11.1, see this one will remain, draw a line segment. And then these problems, right? Construction of the triangle, construction of a similar triangle, this all is removed. Okay, so the whole thing is deleted, make note. After that, construction of a tangent, okay, that will be there. So what is our next chapter? After construction we have, what else? What is the next chapter? Construction, areas related to circles, right? Areas related to circles. From this areas related to circles, again this one is a bit confusing. Okay, what is mentioned here? Problems on central angle of 120 degree. Problems on central angle of 120 degree. So as you are appearing for the board exam, so don't need no need to take a chance, right? So just solve all the problems. Okay, that this include, that is 120 degree as a central angle, that it may include at least few problems, right? 3 to 4 problems. Apart from everything will remain. So as per my suggestion, just solve all the problems from this chapter. So surface area and volumes, okay, it is clearly mentioned here, that is frustum of a cone. Surface area and volumes, frustum of a cone. That is our next chapter, mensuration. Where is mensuration? Surface area and volume. Okay, so from surface area and volume, I think it's the last exercise. It might be the last exercise. The whole exercise is removed. See here. Okay, 13.4. Our frustum of a cone. Okay, इसका formulas थोड़ा confusing था. Okay, it's good that removed this one. So this one, frustum of a cone, right? The whole exercise, that is the last part of the chapter, is removed, right? So what is our next chapter after surface area and volume? We have statistics. Okay, the 14th chapter, that is statistics. Okay, so statistics क्या रिमूव किया है? From statistics, step deviation method. Okay, and then cumulative frequency. These two topics are removed. Step deviation method, that is, this is one of the method for finding the mean, right? First one is direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Okay, so just practice first two methods, and then step deviation method is not required. And then cumulative frequency graph. See here, the last exercise, this one, cumulative frequency graph, right? Okay, from here, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, the whole thing is removed, right? So again, last part of the chapter. So from probability, no deletion. Okay, the whole chapter will remain. So there are three chapters: probability, application of trigonometry, and then circles. Okay, from these three chapters nothing is removed, the whole chapters will remain. And then from other chapters, either the last part is removed or the few of the exercises or the application based problem. I hope all your doubts regarding the 30% reduction from your math syllabus is cleared. If you still got any doubts, just put it in the comment section. Okay, so I will make one more video on science syllabus. Okay, what all the topics are removed from science, right? So if you feel if you feel it helpful, please share it with your friends, and just avoid them to read whatever is removed from your textbook. Okay, I know like most of the students are still confused with this 30% reduction. Okay, please help your friends.